Is ArchiCAD still worth it in 2026? Or is it all smoke and mirrors? Let me break it down for you, fast, honest, and from an architect's perspective. First up, the big question. Is ArchiCAD a scam? Absolutely not. It's legit, it's powerful, and it's been a top name in building information modeling for decades. But here's where things get spicy. In 2026, ArchiCAD moved to a subscription-only model. That means no more perpetual licenses. If you want updates, you pay monthly or annually. And yeah, for small firms or solo architects, that price hike stings. Now, what's ArchiCAD actually like to use right now? The interface is still super intuitive. I'd say if you're new to BIM, ArchiCAD is way less intimidating than Revit. The performance? Smooth, even on average hardware, and it's still the gold standard for Mac users. Presentations with BIMs are a dream. Clients love walking through 3D models on their iPads. But the built-in object library? Meh. It feels a bit dated, and you'll probably end up hunting for better plugins. There's also some real frustration in the community. Longtime users say ArchiCAD feels like it's chasing trends, adding AI and MEP features, but neglecting stability and letting the codebase get bloated. Collaboration can be clunky too. BIM Cloud's real-time teamwork still needs you to hit send and receive manually. Quick pricing check. ArchiCAD Studio is about $124 per month, or $146 for the full Cloud Collab package, billed annually. Students and teachers, you can get a free education license, which is a plus. Final verdict. ArchiCAD is still a powerhouse for design, with killer 3D and presentation tools. But for small teams or solo architects, subscription costs are a real concern. Weigh that price against what you really need, because ownership isn't what it used to be.